Welcome to another Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. What's the one tool you need to take apart most of the RV?
This is going to be able to fit most things inside of your RV. This one's by Klein, but you have your Phillips bit on one side, you have your flathead, then you have your square tip on the other side, which is also the Robertson bit. So you also have nut drives in there, so it goes quite a ways for
So for our
doing quite a
Canadian
bit.
friends, you're saying the Robertson, eh?
Yes, A.
All right. So I was going to go with hammer, because I mean, with a hammer, you could take apart most of the RV. But what you're saying is to take it apart without breaking it. A little 9-in-1 or a multi-screwdriver set.
Yes, it'll go a long ways to helping you take apart whatever you need to diagnose what you need to fix it on the RV.
So we know that most of it's bolt-on, right? Yep. And just, the big hint for this, guys, whenever you buy, say a particular brand, all they really built was maybe the chassis and the box. Everything else they ship in from other vendors, and it's all bolted down, screws or anything else, okay? Now, you said Robertson or screw head. Most of it in the RV space is going to be the screw head, not actually even Phillips. So yeah, having that number 2 square head is actually pretty essential. You want me to tell you what most of these become after a while? Nut drivers, because you lose this, right? But you got your nut drivers. If you ever wanted to take apart a RV pedestal, go with the 5/16. You can take apart almost everything electric with the 5/16 nut driver. And there's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today.
Now for the reason that you're out there in the video, roll the bloopers.
All right, what else can we talk about for a minute and a half where we can use that? All right, hey, this week I got a special guest, Jared Gillis from All About RVs. See that throw? I just gave it to him and he goes, blah. Let it roll.
All right.
Oh, that's
I told you I'm
11-1.
terrible at this.
Yeah, because that's part of it is, let me say something so outlandish, and I go, I wonder if they'll say it. Oh yeah, well let's get him off camera. Let's throw it, and he falls over. Kind of like I did Tony with the tortilla.
Yeah.
So the other day, I did the kung fu one. So I was like, yeah, and he kept it in. I was like, oh, we're gonna push the limits on this one.
And then the next shot, you do it again. And
How about
I
you just
catch it.
like empty hands like this go?
We're actually filming.
Yeah, you see the little red dot?
Oh, yeah.
We've been filming
We're
for about 5 minutes, so we're
Awesome.
gonna have a lot of stuff on the floor. Here's the one tool you need. People think it's your hands, and then just stay still. The magic of green screen.